200 years ago, all of this, currently known as Streeterville, was an extension of Lake Michigan. It wasn't until after the Great Chicago Fire when infamous Chicagoan and former Army private George Streeter crashed his steamboat into a sandbar near today's Navy Pier and began squatting and deeming the 186 acres of land as his own. The neighborhood was later named Streeterville after his entire family, the Streeters. Streeterville includes part of the Mag Mile, Chicago's premier commercial district, featuring some of the city's best shopping experiences with luxury brands as well as local boutiques and worldwide flagships. But it's not all glitzy and glammy in Streeterville. There's a unique industrial loft-style low-rise nestled between the skyscrapers and Lake Michigan. And this is what it's like to live at the Lofts at River East. Glad you made it. Follow me as we explore more of the Lofts at River East.
We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3.
So many people are moving to Chicago, but few know how to live Chicago. With all the new construction happening, you deserve the inside scoop on Chicago's booming housing market. You deserve to live it up. My name is Stephanie Spenner, and as an apartment broker, I know the city like the back of my hand. Aside from revealing the hidden gems, I'll show you everything you are missing about apartment living in the Windy City. Avoid the dumps and discover luxury living in the hottest neighborhoods. See what's new, unique, and blow your socks off breathtaking. There's something for everyone in this city, but in this show, we only focus on the top properties for lifestyle seekers who want elevated views, unparalleled amenities, and the ultimate social experience. So what are you waiting for? Let our city become your city. Live shy. Anchoring the Ogden Slip and Navy Pier, today the Lofts at River East is a one-of-a-kind property that was converted into 285 airy apartments, creating quite the contrast against the newer constructed glass towers. Being a renovated warehouse resulted in over 75 unique floor plans, including extra-large studios, 1-bedrooms, 1+ dens, 2 bedrooms, massive 2+ dens, and 3-bedroom layouts. If you are a Chicago native, you may remember this historic brick wide rise as Pew Terminal Warehouse, aka Merch Mart 1.0 in the early 1900s. Or North Pier, the commercial and retail mall of the late 1900s. Redesigned by Fitzgerald Associates and redeveloped by Group Fox in 2015, the Lofts at River East features 6 stories plus a massive rooftop deck and stretches nearly the entire block from McClurg Court to Lakeshore Drive. The current interior design by Stanton Design Concepts is inspired by the building's history as most previously River East Arts Center, finding pieces from local artists splashed throughout the property. Take a look at how texturally pleasing these apartment homes are, with industrial hints of raw materials like these brick accent walls and exposed air ducts, yet still offering a touch of warmth with espresso cabinetry and timber lofty details throughout. Cool sliding barn doors to the bedrooms save you tons of space, and track lighting throughout allow you to highlight your whole art collection. This extra large 2-bed, 2.5 bath is over 1,200 square feet and feels almost double the size when factoring in these 13-foot ceilings. A book or art collector's dream. Not only are these floor plans huge, open and airy, but my absolute favorite part are these accordion nano walls that almost every apartment facing south offers. These kitchens are also impressive, with tons of cabinet space throughout, accented by the ceramic tile backsplash, beautiful quartz countertops, gas range, and Maytag appliances. There's even room for a 6-top dining table in this spacious 1,283 square foot apartment home. Not many renters can say that. One of the only properties featuring a true full-size laundry room and washer and dryer, massive closets, and storage throughout. Get everything out of storage. It all fits here at the Lofts. Start your day with a revitalizing run along the lakefront path, just steps from your door if you live at the Lofts at River East. The path stretches about 18 miles north to south along Lake Michigan, and right here at Navy Pier is about the halfway mark. Finish off in the gym, furnished with all of this unique equipment like the punching bags, battle ropes, TRX, and so much more. Work from home? This rare resident riverfront lounge is the perfect place to post up winter or summer. Find a nice occasional distraction with bright sunny water views and people watching from the overflow of the boat cruises on the canal. Situated in the pocket of waters between Lake Michigan and the north bank of the Chicago River, Streeterville is one of the most sought-after neighborhoods of Chicago. The iconic Tribune Tower is the staple of Michigan Avenue, a neo-Gothic masterpiece currently undergoing a major $1 billion transformation into about 163 ultra-luxury condos. One Bennett Park is the newest development of the neighborhood, an extravagant 67-story condo and apartment tower, the second tallest all-residential tower in Chicago, right across the street from the Lofts at River East. Streeterville is not all a concrete jungle. Bennett Park is the latest lush addition to the neighborhood, delivering roughly 2 acres of greenery. Let your dogs off the leash with 2 24-hour dog parks, one for large and one for small dogs. Spoil the little ones with the most epic children's play area with slides, a timber climbing forest, a saucer swing, and sandboxes. It's no surprise that it's already a flourishing addition to the neighborhood when designed by the same landscape architect as Maggie Daly and the 606 Trail, Michael Van Valkenburg Associates. Now really amp up your morning with one of my favorite cups of espresso imported from Greece. Kupital is a Greek-owned all-day lounge, restaurant, bakery, cafe, and exclusive bar right through the secret door in your lobby. Their food is amazing. Try anything with the ham off the bone. The locals here argue the waterfront restaurant Robert's Pizza is the best pizza in town. And they can't get enough of the views from the world's largest rooftop offshore at Navy Pier. As for meat, you can smell America's #1 barbecue at your door coming from Carson's Ribs. This staple just opened this new location right next door. Look at the studio, it's huge. kitchen island, and a whole wall full of windows that opens up for some nice fresh air. No pool needed with water views like this and a 10,000 square foot sky deck. It's so quiet up here. Enjoy sunbathing, book reading, grilling, or relaxing by the fire, or watching the show. But you're so close to Navy Pier that you could grab a blanket and a bottle of wine and walk down for a front row seat. What a cute date night. I just love their entertaining lounge here. It feels like you are out of the house and in an actual restaurant or bar. Watch the game with your friends or start your own game night with pool, Scrabble, or a few rounds of poker. Or host a movie night at the indoor or outdoor theater. Here, they also host an annual Super Bowl party for the residents. We'll dive into more of what this neighborhood has to offer on our next Streeterville episode. Did you know there's roughly 4,300 new apartments delivered in Chicago in 2019 alone? Yes, new apartments that you have never before seen. Let me show you. Be sure to subscribe, follow, and share Live Shy with your friends. To book an apartment tour with me or one of my colleagues, you can follow the links below and I will guarantee to find you the perfect place.